Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll let you know how you will create a virtual machine and then how you will create the snapshot from the OS disk of your virtual machine and then how you will restore that OS disk to a new virtual machine. So let's get started. First of all, you'll create a virtual machine. Click on virtual machine and then create a virtual machine. Select your subscription, select your resource group, give a name. I'll call this VM01 and I will keep all the parameters default and I'll just click next to the disk, click next to networking, select your virtual network subnet and assign a public IP to this. And also please keep open port 80 so that we can serve one of the web server. Click next, management, monitoring and advanced. In advance, I will just put some custom data. What it will do, it will just install Apache 2 on my virtual machine during the provisioning of this virtual machine. So now review and create, and let's wait for the final validation. The final validation has been passed. Now click create, download the private key file, and let's wait until the virtual machine is provisioned. Welcome back. As the virtual machine has been provisioned, go to resources, and it is seen that the status is up and running. Now let's connect this virtual machine. So go back to your terminal and change your directory where the private file is downloaded. It is placed in my download folder, so I'll change its permission to read only. So just type chmod 400 and select your file. Now to SSH into your virtual machine, type ssh-i and then select your file, then type the username of your machine and type the public IP of your virtual machine. Just click enter, type yes, and here we should end in our virtual machine. Here it is. So we have successfully create an SSH session with our virtual machine. Now just clear the session and just type create a file. I will call nano test.txt file. Just write some data to this. This is test file. Now control S and control X. Now just get this file. As it is seen that this is the text file. Go back to your virtual machine, copy the public IP and browse it. The Apache should be running on. Here it is, Apache is up and running on this virtual machine. Now let's create snapshot of the OS disk and create a new virtual machine out of this. So go to the disk, click on the OS, click on create snapshot, select your subscription, select your resource group, give it a meaningful name. So I will call it VM01 snapshot. I will take the full snapshot for this OS disk and I'll just select locally redundant or standard HDD locally redundant. Click next, encryption, keep it as it is, platform managed keys, for networking, place it enable for all the public access. For advanced, we are not gonna change anything. For tags, remain it as it is. Now let's review and create. Final validation has been passed. Click on create and let's wait until it is created. Okay, the snapshot has been created, so go to resource. You can also search snapshot and click on snapshots. Here it should be your snapshot, so click on VM01 snapshot. Now just minimize this, click create disk on this. Now select your resource group, select your subscription, give it a name. I'll call disk 01 SS. You can give a meaningful name to this, and I'll not change anything. For encryption, I'm not gonna change anything. For networking, for advanced, for tags, leaves all it as it is. click on create, and let's wait until this resource is provisioned. Okay, the resource has been created, so click on go to resource, or you can also type here disk. Click on disks, and here is our disk 01 ss. Click on this, minimize this, and we will create a VM. Click on create VM. Now select your subscription as usual, your resource group, and we will call this VM02, and we will type ss so that it is created from the snapshot. And now let's open the port 80 as well, and as it is seen that it picks the disk that we have named it disk 0001 ss. And now click on, just select any of the Red Hat Enterprise license type. Disk, we are not going to change anything. For networking, we are creating this in VM vnet 1, and just click management, networking, monitoring, advanced, and just review plus create. Let's wait for the final validations. Just click create as the final validation has been passed, and let's wait for the resource to be provisioned. Welcome back. As the virtual machine created from the snapshot has been provisioned, go to resource, and that's it. As the virtual machine is up and running, just copy its public IP and browse it in another browser. Click next. As it is seen that Apache 2 is already up and running on this virtual machine. This one is the parent virtual machine, and this is the virtual machine that we created from the snapshot. Now let's go back to your terminal, and we are in the virtual machine 1. Now create a new session, type ls. Same, we will create an session with the virtual machine that we have created from the snapshot using the same key file and the same username. So type ssh-i VM and type the username of the virtual machine 1, and here we will paste the public IP of virtual machine 2. That was the virtual machine we have created from the snapshot. Click enter. We should have make an SSH connection with this virtual machine as well. After typing yes, we should have been entered to the virtual machine 2. Here it is. We are in the virtual machine 2. Now type ls. As it can be seen that test.txt is already created in this virtual machine. So that was it. I show you how you will create virtual machine, then how you will create the snapshot from the OS disk, and then how you will restore a virtual machine, and or you will create a virtual machine from the snapshot. Thank you so much.